How's it going, everyone? Today we're gonna be looking at the CPU that was underwater for 7 days. I did let it dry out for about 3 weeks, so that should be plenty of time to let it all dry out for any water that seeped underneath it. So let's get her done. Alright, guys, as you can see right there, everything's working just fine on it, even though the SMDs were pretty rough shape, let's just say that. Everything's working fine though. Temperature seemed to be fine. I will do another test on this CPU versus a fresh, barely used, same CPU, roughly from the same date of manufacturing. I will do another test on to see if it can handle the same voltages, if it can handle the same stuff, if we can still do the same kind of thing with it. I'll do another test on that, but as you can see, everything works just fine. We got GT 240 onto it. We got my little 60 hertz 1080p 7-inch monitor there. RAM, it's just got 2x2, so 4 gigabytes of RAM there. This is just DDR3. Just got my Crucial SSD like I normally do. My homemade thermal paste that I use for a lot of these tests here. I'll run just my homemade thermal paste, just a bunch of different kind of thermal paste with diamond. You can either get diamond paste or you can get diamond powder and throw it in to the mix. 70,000 grits the way to go. But yeah, as you can see, we got the Corsair 650 CX650M there, which is just a little 650 watt power supply. Everything's running just fine. It's been a run now for about 15 minutes, so that's pretty good. Temps seem to be just fine. Again, let me know in the comment section below. I still have 10 of these CPUs that I want to put through the ringer, so let me know what you would like me to try out. Either just put as much voltage through the core CPU core as I can before it blows, put as little, see how far we can get to overclock. I'm gonna be doing this competition here soon, so I'm just gonna be doing a bunch of random tests on this here, and if any of you would like to comment what you would like to see done on at least one of these CPUs, I can't confirm that your comment will go to the CPU, but if there's multiple comments on it, I will definitely do the test for that. Yep. This test is all done. The CPU underwater for 7 days seems to have survived. Again, everything seems to be running just fine. The old CPUs seem to run fine. Intel, what are you doing? Make these CPUs the way they were. We'll be doing I got another video here coming out here soon about Intel's problems with their CPUs, how they're not going to be doing any kind of recalls on them. Does this make it so I'm gonna go to AMD? I don't know. We'll see. Again, thank you all for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. As always, don't forget to get her done.